Hi everyone. Imagine having a tool to track attendance automatically. Today, I'll show you how to do this in Excel using the COUNTIF function and conditional formatting. Let's go. Here, I've set up an attendance table. Each day, we mark P for present and for absent. In the present days column, I've used the formula COUNTIF to count all the P's for each person. Quick and easy. To make it visually appealing, I added conditional formatting. P shows green, and it turns red in the status column. Now, tracking attendance is seamless. Try this out, and let me know how it works for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes for more such tutorials. Hello! Let's create a professional invoice template in Excel in just a few steps. It's perfect for small businesses. Let's start. Here's the product list with quantity and unit price. In the total column, I've added a formula to calculate the total cost, quantity times unit price. Easy! To simplify data entry, I've used VLOOKUP to automatically fetch prices when you select a product from a drop-down menu. This ensures accuracy and saves time. Your invoice template is ready. Like, share, and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes for more Excel hacks. Hi there! Today, I'll show you how to split full names into first and last names using simple Excel formulas. Let's get started. In this table, I've used the left function to extract the first name. The formula calculates everything before the first space. Perfect for large data sets. Easy, right? Like, share, and subscribe to Shalu Verma classes for more Excel tips.